Hello everyone and welcome back to the dbadmin.com. Imagine spinning up a fully configured virtual machine in seconds without clicking through endless setup screens or dealing with messy configurations. Sounds like magic, huh? Well, it's not magic, it's Vagrant. In today's video, we are diving deep into how you can automate virtual machine creation and environment setup with just few simple commands. Whether you are a developer, a DevOps engineer, or a system administrator, this tool will save time, reduce errors, and make your life easier. By the end of this video, you will understand what Vagrant is, why it's better than traditional virtual machine setup, how it works step by step. And trust me, once you see what Vagrant can do, you would not want to set up a virtual machine manually ever again. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is Vagrant? Vagrant is an open source tool created by HashiCorp that allows developers to create, manage, and share lightweight, reproducible, and portable virtual environments. Think of it as a virtual machine manager that helps you to set up a development environment quickly and consistently. Instead of manually installing and configuring different software every time, Vagrant automates the process with a single command. It works with different virtualization providers such as VirtualBox, VMware, Docker, and Hyper-V. With Vagrant, you define everything inside a simple Vagrant file and it takes care of setting up virtual environment exactly the way you want it. Now let's address the biggest question. Why should you even use Vagrant? What makes it better than setting up everything manually? So here are 5 key reasons why developers love Vagrant. Consistency across team. Every developer gets the same working environment, avoiding the "it works on my machine but not on yours" issue. Easy setup and reproducibility. You don't need to manually install software. You just share a Vagrant file and anyone can recreate your setup. Fast provisioning. Instead of spending hours setting up software and dependency, Vagrant does it automatically in minutes. Supports multi-VM environments. If your project requires multiple servers like a web server, database, and a cache server, Vagrant can set them up all at once. Cross-platform support. Whether you use Windows, macOS, or Linux, Vagrant ensures your project runs the same way everywhere. Many companies use Vagrant to manage their development environments. Now that we know what Vagrant is and why it is useful, let's talk about how it actually works. Imagine you need to set up a development environment for a web application. You need an operating system like Ubuntu and a database like PostgreSQL. The entire environment is defined in a simple configuration file called a Vagrant file. The Vagrant file includes details like which operating system to use, how much CPU and RAM to allocate, what should be the network settings, and what software should be pre-installed. Once this file is written, you no longer have to manually configure machines. Anyone on your team can just use the same Vagrant file and get an identical environment. Vagrant does not run virtual machines directly. It works with a provider like VirtualBox, VMware, or Docker. When you run Vagrant up, it checks the Vagrant file and tells provider to download the specified OS image if not already available, create a new virtual machine, apply the configuration from the Vagrant file, and boot up the machine. This means no more manually installing the operating system, software, or dependencies. Vagrant does it all for you. Once the virtual machine is running, you can connect to it with a very simple Vagrant command, Vagrant SSH. This logs you into the virtual machine so you can start coding or testing immediately, just like working on a real server. Here is where Vagrant gets even more powerful. It can automatically install software when the VM is created. It does this using provisioners such as Shell Script, Chef, Puppet, and Ansible. For example, if you want to automatically install Nginx and start the server when the virtual machine boots, you can add this to your Vagrant file. This means whenever a new developer joins the project, they don't have to manually install anything. Once you are done working, you can pause the virtual machine with Vagrant Halt to free up system resources. Or you can completely remove the virtual machine with Vagrant Destroy if you no longer need it. And the best part? Since the environment is fully defined in the Vagrant file, you can recreate it anytime by simply running Vagrant up command. So in simple terms, Vagrant file defines the environment, Vagrant talks to provider to create the virtual machine, provisioners set up the software, get a fully functional development environment in minutes. This is why Vagrant is such a powerful tool for developers and DevOps engineers. Now comes the most important part. Why should you choose Vagrant over the traditional way of creating virtual machine? Let's break it down. First is standardization and consistency. Traditional virtual machine lead to configuration mismatches between developers. With Vagrant, you define everything in code, so no more "it works on my machine" issues. Faster setup and automation. Traditional virtual machine require manual operating system installation. With Vagrant, just run Vagrant up, you have a fully configured virtual machine in minutes. So this gives you a benefit of saving hours of setup time. Lightweight and portable. Traditional virtual machine consume huge disk space. Vagrant uses shared based images, making it lightweight. So less storage, easy rollbacks, and version control with Git. Multi-provider setup. With traditional virtual machines, switching from VirtualBox to VMware or Docker is a hassle. With Vagrant, just change one line in the Vagrant file, so you can easily switch between providers. In traditional virtual machine, you install software manually. In Vagrant, it's all automated with the help of different provisioners like Ansible, Chef, Puppet, or the basic shell scripts. So no more manual installation. If a traditional virtual machine breaks, you manually reinstall it. But with Vagrant, just run Vagrant Destroy and Vagrant up. Now your virtual machine is instantly recovered. If you need multiple virtual machines, you can configure them all in just a single Vagrant file. So this is perfect for microservices and cloud environment. So as you can see, Vagrant simplifies, automates, and speeds up virtual machine management. Faster setup, less resource usage, easier collaboration, and automated provisioning. If you are still manually setting up virtual machines, stop. Start using Vagrant today. What do you think? And have you tried Vagrant before? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to thedbadmin.com. See you in the next one.